Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here's a sneak peek of a beautiful diamond in the rough with a gorgeous palatial entrance, 3 completed self-contained apartments, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms under construction, kitchen and dining. This property has the potential to literally pay for itself. The house has a very large concrete water tank which spans the ground floor area. There are 3 additional Tuff Tanks, each with 800 gallons. The house is also equipped with a security camera system, which provides adequate coverage of the house and property. The lot size is 0.26 acres. This rare gem is nestled in the very quiet area of Littleton, Cedar Grove, Manchester, and is just waiting to welcome you. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $193.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.